If you're looking to improve your posture, I can guarantee you that you're probably not doing this one exercise that's going to fix a lot of upper body problems and poor posture, and that is the farmer's walks, okay? So the first thing is most people don't do this because they just don't think about it, or they don't realize how functional it really is. And farmer's walks or farmer's carries is essentially picking up some heavy weight and just walking through it. You can walk for 15 seconds, 30 seconds, or you can walk for 20 feet, 30 feet, go there and come back. The thing here is that most people don't do this properly because they pick too light of a weight. And too light of a weight, believe it or not, is actually going to increase your chances of having other injuries. That's because if you have too light of a weight, you could swing your arms and you can hurt your shoulder. So simply stated, what we're going to do is we're gonna pick up a bunch of weight and we're gonna walk with it. So again, pick up a bunch of weight, we can turn to our side and we could just start walking. Heck, if you don't have a big place to walk, or maybe you're in a garage, you can walk in place, or you could just hold it. But it's really, really hard. If you watch my side here, it's really, really hard to have poor posture and hold these positions. You can feel it hurt your shoulders, you can feel it hurt your back. So you have to simply just walk. So again, these are the farmer's carries. Everybody who sits at a desk, everybody who works out, anybody who wants to get better posture needs to be doing this exercise. This is an essential movement, and it's probably one of the most overlooked exercises I see, not only in my clinic, but my personal and professional life, and there's some things that I even forget as well. But simply stated, this exercise is probably one of the best exercises. I've seen it clear up a lot of neck problems. I've seen it clear up a lot of shoulder issues, and it really does help hand and forearm strength. So if you're losing hand strength, forearm strength, you can just go ahead, pick it up, hold it, walk in place, or just keep walking down an aisle or wherever you can go. But this is an essential exercise that you should do, and it's really going to clear up a lot of problems and fix a lot of neck pain and shoulder problems.